guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide I will show you how to fix Halo Campaign Evolved game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, black screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart the PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 first. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5 as you can see in the picture. Next method is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to the PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5, choose console storage and then tap on delete option. Next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first, hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, launch the game and check. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings on your PS5, click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Halo Campaign Evolved game, click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next solution is to check for game updates. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with certain kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is an update available and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then choose system, then go to system software, click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software, finally choose update using internet option. Next method is to sign out and sign to PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log in to PS5 account and then check for the error. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next method is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings. At last choose restore option. Next method is to reinstall Halo Campaign Evolved game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install Halo Campaign Evolved game again to check for the error. Next method is to contact support. So if the issue still continues and nothing works for you, then you should contact PlayStation support. Link is already provided in the description. They will better guide or suggest you the solutions and be into the game again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.